Our correspondent Muskan is joining us from Himachal Pradesh. Muskan in Shimla, yes. Muskan, keeping the IMD alerts in mind, what measures are in place, in fact, from the administration to minimize the adverse impact of cloud bursts and the like?
Macklin, the monsoon has begun in the state and it is already turning into a nightmare already. And the heavy rainfall has created a havoc in Mandi. Mandi is the only district which has suffered the most damage till now. In the last 48 hours, there have been incidents of 3 cloudbursts, 1 in Karsog area. 4 deaths have been reported and 16 people are still missing and almost 99 people are rescued. NDRF and SDRF team are on the spot and they are trying to rescue people. The water levels currently in the districts are flowing over the capacity. So they have advised people to evacuate the area and to leave their homes, and they are trying to take people to a much safer place. And the IMD has issued an alert for flash flood and heavy rain in the next 48 hours, which includes Shimla, Mandi, Solan, Chamba, Kangra and Sirmaur. So the next 48 hours going to be very crucial for Mandi. Though the NDRF and SDRF team has also evacuated the Mandi main market area. So it is a concerning matter that the water levels are reaching into the city right now. So people are advised not to go near the water bodies, and though there are no tourists which are reported to be stuck in there and the locals are there in the district, so they are advised not to go in the areas which are landslide prone or near the water bodies.
Indeed, and also people may be wanting to leave Himachal Pradesh during this time for safer places. So, I mean, are there transport arrangements in place for people who would want to move?
See, the 4 national highways were affected before, but now the weather is like turning into a favor right now. The rain has stopped. So the 3 national highways are currently working, have been through. So the people who want to leave the state can leave. There is a little issue on the Shimla-Chandigarh National Highway. There is a place called as Chucky Mode. And due to the national highway which is constructed, so there are multiple landslide incidents that occur on that national highway. But the JCB machines are deployed there. The NDRF and SDRF team are there. Administration is on high alert and they are making sure that nobody gets stuck. Tourists can return back to their homes safely.
We'll leave it there. Thank you very much, Muskan, for joining us from Himachal Pradesh.